Have you ever been camping and seen that tiny, flashing green light in the distance? No, not like the Great Gatsby. I'm talking about fireflies. Using a magic scientific property called bioluminescence, fireflies, glowworms, dead stuff, wood, the ocean, jellyfish, beetles, fungi, bacteria, and now flowers can emit light all on their own. This property is old. Famous ancient philosophers named Aristotle and Pliny the Elder mentioned light being emitted from nature. Even Charles Darwin mentioned bioluminescence on the seas. But what is it?
Bioluminescence is caused by light energy being released via a chemical reaction. In the 19th century, French pharmacologist Raphael Dubois ground up bioluminescent beetle abdomens, and when he added cold water to the beetle mush, it would glow, whereas when adding hot water to the beetle mush, it did not glow. Thus, he hypothesized that heat destroyed one of two components that caused light to be emitted. He called the light-emitting pigment luciferin and the enzyme component luciferase. When oxidized luciferin reacts with the catalyst enzyme luciferase, it creates a byproduct of oxyluciferin and releases energy. Unlike many chemical reactions, the energy released by this reaction does not produce heat. It results in a cold light, called bioluminescence.
In creatures, bioluminescence can be used as defense, like deep-sea shrimp or vampire squid, communication for mating, like in fireflies, for finding food, such as the anglerfish, and for camouflage, like the hatchetfish. Most bioluminescent reactions involve luciferin and luciferase. However, some reactions involve a chemical called a photoprotein instead of luciferase. Photoproteins were first studied in the bioluminescent crystal jellyfish. The green fluorescent protein, or GFP, is a photoprotein that converts the protein E-quarin into green light visible to the human eye. The GFP allows scientists to observe what is happening at a subcellular level inside living organisms. Using GFP, researchers can make advancements in the treatment of diseases, and GFP is helping with research in Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, bird flu, malaria, cancer, HIV, and more. Bioluminescence isn't just fighting disease, it's changing the plant world too. The synthetic biology startup LightBio has genetically engineered a bioluminescent flower called the firefly petunia, which hit the market in 2024. The firefly petunia glows due to a genetic enhancement combining the DNA of luminous mushrooms with that of petunia plants. This invention is revolutionary to the gardening world. But does it have underlying implications? What happens when this gene is exposed to the natural world? Will we have other glowing flowers, glowing grass, glowing trees? We might not even need to decorate a Christmas tree anymore. All this said, bioluminescence is not real-life magic. It is science. Science used by so many creatures on this earth. If we want to protect this magical science, we have to protect our glowing earth.